Since its launch, Hubble has continuously expanded the boundaries of human knowledge, transforming countless scientific theories into direct observations and turning distant cosmic mysteries into measurable discoveries that have reshaped our understanding of the universe. For more than 3 decades, the telescope has served as one of humanity's most important scientific instruments, revealing phenomena that were once hidden beyond the limits of technology and imagination. Quietly and relentlessly, it continues to orbit high above Earth, suspended within the silent and seemingly endless darkness of space, far beyond the direct reach of human hands and ordinary observation. From this remarkable vantage point hundreds of kilometers above our planet, Hubble observes the cosmos with a level of clarity, precision, and consistency that was once considered impossible to achieve. Far above the distorting effects of Earth's atmosphere, the telescope is free from the turbulence, moisture, air currents, and atmospheric interference that blur and weaken observations made from ground-based observatories. Within this rare and unobstructed environment, light from distant regions of the universe travels directly into Hubble's instruments, allowing it to capture breathtaking images with extraordinary sharpness, depth, and scientific detail. When Hubble was finally launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, it represented far more than the deployment of a sophisticated scientific instrument into orbit around Earth. It symbolized a bold declaration of human curiosity, ambition, determination, and the enduring desire to explore realities that exist far beyond the boundaries of everyday experience. The mission embodied decades of scientific planning, engineering innovation, technological advancement, and the collective efforts of thousands of researchers, engineers, technicians, and visionaries working toward a common goal. Years of complex design, testing, problem-solving, and relentless dedication were ultimately condensed into a single remarkable machine built not only to observe the universe but also to help humanity better understand its place within it. At the time of its launch, very few people could fully appreciate how profoundly this orbiting observatory would transform humanity's understanding of space, time, matter, energy, and cosmic evolution. Initially, many viewed Hubble as simply a more advanced telescope capable of capturing clearer and more detailed images than any astronomical instrument that had come before it. Yet as the mission progressed and its observations accumulated year after year, it became increasingly clear that Hubble's true impact would extend far beyond those original expectations. Positioned above Earth's turbulent atmosphere, Hubble transformed the night sky from a blurry collection of distant lights into a vast and highly structured cosmic landscape filled with complexity, motion, and hidden detail. Objects that once appeared faint, indistinct, and almost featureless suddenly emerged with astonishing levels of clarity, revealing structures that had remained invisible for generations. Stars that once seemed like tiny points of light scattered across the darkness were revealed as immense celestial furnaces producing unimaginable amounts of energy every second. Many of these stars existed at distances so great that their light had spent millions or even billions of years traveling across the universe before finally reaching Hubble's sensitive detectors. Each captured image therefore represented far more than a simple photograph of a distant object suspended in space. It served as a historical record carrying information from ancient periods of cosmic history and preserving evidence from events that occurred long before human civilization existed. Every observation became a glimpse into the past, allowing scientists to study events that occurred long before Earth itself. Their spiral arms stretched outward across hundreds of thousands of light years, shaped slowly and continuously by gravity over billions of years, forming elegant and evolving cosmic patterns that reflect the long history of galactic formation. At the centers of many galaxies, Hubble revealed extremely energetic regions where matter is compressed and accelerated under extreme gravitational forces, often exposing the hidden presence of supermassive black holes that dominate the dynamics of entire galactic cores. These discoveries transformed galaxies from static collections of stars into dynamic, evolving systems that constantly interact, merge, and change over cosmic timescales, reshaping their structure through gravitational and energetic processes. Nebulae appeared as vast glowing clouds of gas and dust, serving as active stellar nurseries where gravity gathers material into dense regions that eventually collapse to form new stars, while intense radiation from nearby massive stars sculpts and reshapes their surroundings. Within these regions, the life cycle of stars becomes visible on a grand scale, from collapsing protostellar clouds to fully formed stars burning through nuclear fusion, and finally to massive stellar explosions that enrich space with heavier chemical elements. This continuous cycle of stellar birth, evolution, and death revealed a universe that is far from static, instead governed by ongoing processes of transformation that operate across billions of years and shape every structure within it. As Hubble looked deeper into space, it captured light that had traveled for billions of years, allowing scientists to observe the universe as it existed in its earliest stages, shortly after the formation of the first large-scale cosmic structures. Ancient galaxies appeared in primitive developmental stages, offering direct observational evidence of how matter gradually organized itself into complex structures over cosmic time. Massive stellar explosions illuminated distant regions of space, dispersing heavy elements and influencing the formation of future generations of stars and planetary systems. Black holes revealed themselves indirectly through high-energy jets and intense radiation emitted from surrounding accretion disks, confirming their role as powerful and influential cosmic engines. Each photon detected by Hubble carried information from a distant and ancient past, effectively transforming the telescope into a time-viewing instrument that reveals the universe not as it is now, but as it once was. Over its decades of continuous operation, Hubble evolved into a long-term orbital observatory capable of studying both the distant universe and nearby solar system objects with remarkable accuracy and consistency. Unlike short-duration missions, its continuous orbit around Earth, completed approximately every 90 minutes, allowed repeated and long-term observations that revealed subtle changes occurring over time. This sustained monitoring demonstrated that the universe is constantly evolving. Galaxies change shape through collisions, stars are born and die in continuous cycles, and even large-scale cosmic structures slowly transform over billions of years. After more than 30 years of service, Hubble continues to operate silently in orbit, steadily collecting data and revealing increasingly deeper layers of the universe with each passing observation. It has fundamentally transformed our understanding of the cosmos into a vast, dynamic, and interconnected system far more complex than previously imagined. Even today, as ancient light continues to arrive from the farthest reaches of space, Hubble remains focused and unwavering, capturing these faint cosmic signals and continuously expanding humanity's vision of the universe.